Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today we're going to be talking about web fonts. In the next couple of videos, we're just going to go through some various methods of adding new fonts to your websites or web applications, whatever you're working on. And so for a long time, you've only been able to use a select few fonts, right? It's only been pretty much like Arial, Georgia, that sort of thing. And it's could be very frustrating to get some different looks and different design. So people turn to images and things like that. And then there were some Flash replacement techniques. But luckily in CSS3 we have font face, which allows us to really do some cool stuff. And not only can we use font services, but we can actually host our own fonts if we want. So in the first video, this one right here, we're going to be using a Google Web Font, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get set up with Google Web Fonts, and it's really a great thing. And then in the next video, we're going to talk about using your own font from something like Font Squirrel. So let's go to Google Fonts. You can go to google.com/fonts, and they offer a wide range of fonts, and it's pretty fantastic service here that they offer. And they range from like super cheesy to really nice looking usable fonts. And they're all usable in some context, but everyday sort of fonts. So let's try something, and we're going to pick something that's maybe a little bit obvious, right? So we're going to pick this Geo. And so you can see, you can do a couple of things with this font, right? If we click Add to Collection, it's just going to add it to our collection where we can add a bunch of fonts at once and then use them later. Or we can do other things, right? So by clicking on this middle button right here, it's going to take us to their page. And you can see we can just use the normal and the italic, and 400 is the weight. And notice it says here's your impact on page load time. The more you add, the little bit more of a page load time you're going to add, because it's going to be loading these fonts. So there's a couple of different ways we can add this font, and we're going to just be going over the standard method. However, you can use import in your CSS, or you can use this JavaScript method, but really it's easy just to use this bit of code that you want to throw into your HTML. And then anytime you want to use the font, it's as simple as just calling this font family Geo in quotes and then sans serif. So let's check this out. So first thing I want to do is come to my index, and inside of my head I'm just going to paste this little bit here. There we go. So what this is going to do is it's going to link up this style sheet from fonts.googleapis.com, and it's passing what particular font it is, and then it loads that and serves the font directly from Google's servers. So let's actually turn something into this Geo font here. So we had this hello that was Helvetica before, and now we're going to turn it into Geo just simply by pasting in this font family, Geo in quotes, and then sans serif as a fallback. And now if we come to our page here and refresh, you'll see we are using this super cool new font. It's totally different than anything else that we've used, and it looks, futuristic and cool, whatever. Actually, and before this next video, I'm going to clean up some of the stuff. I'm going to get rid of this spin here, and I'm going to get rid of this this left column thing here, and refresh here just to clean some of this up maybe. Cool. And so now our page is just a little bit, I suppose more clean for right now. In fact, actually, let's change this Level Up Tuts to be this cool font. And I'm just going to paste this font family on this H1, and I think it's just going to be for logo text. Actually, I'll just throw it right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 100 padding to the left, or let's say padding left, typing left, and then this is going to be maybe 150 pixels, and turn off this text indent. So we should see Level Up Tuts, cool, and I'll get rid of this width right here, color white, text decoration none. Cool. So this isn't actually the Level Up Tuts font, but it looks a little bit better than what we had here before. So pretty cool. We're using this new font with Google Web Fonts. In the next video, we're going to show you how to do a similar technique, but you're going to be hosting the font on your own server, and we're going to be using something called Font Squirrel. So as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave a comment on the video, or hit us up at Twitter, at Level Up Tuts, or on Facebook, or whatever. Let us know what you're thinking, and thanks for watching. Bye.